Now streaming on Abe's Bonsai Garden Show Made Easy, an instructional video series. Abe's Bonsai. A bonsai is a very small tree or brush that is grown in a pot by using special methods to control its growth. The art of growing bonsai. Bonsai Made Easy, an in-depth individual training video series to make your own bonsai with master bonsai grower Abe Pagtama.
Oh, hi. My name is Abe Pagtama and welcome to my bonsai garden. Tell you about the history about bonsai. Bonsai has been done so many years in China, but the Japanese, they start doing it and they made it popularized. And that's what happened when the American went to Japan. The Western world, you start noticing what a bonsai is. That's when all this thing happened. Just to give you a little history about myself. I came from a multi-generational family of farmers. As a child, I was taught horticulture. And about 30 years ago, I kind of have a special interest on doing bonsai. And it became part of my life. My garden of living art, as I like to call them, does require some work, discipline, and dedication. However, I promise you the rewards are numerous. Now, let's get started. I want to introduce you to my best friend in here. It's one of my old bonsai, one of my favorite bonsai. Welcome, Ruthie. I have her for more than 30 years. Do you know why I call her Ruthie? Check this out. Check out the roots. Isn't she beautiful? I want to welcome you to Abe's Bonsai Garden.
Now streaming on Abe's Bonsai Garden Show Made Easy, an instructional video series.